In this video, we take you into the fascinating world of the world's most poisonous animals in different countries. How was the world's first poisonous bird discovered? Why do people in Mexico shake their shoes before putting them on every morning? The world's most dangerous snake. Why is it considered sacred in India? The answers to all these questions are in this video soon. 7 countries, 7 animals, 7 incredible stories. Before we get to the video, you can subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 7, Mexico, the sand crab. Do you know why people in Mexico shake their shoes before putting them on every morning? Because an unexpected surprise might be inside. That surprise is a sand crab. The most venomous scorpion in North America is about as small as a child's palm. But its venom attacks the nervous system directly. The moment it stings, muscles begin to contract uncontrollably. The eyes roll involuntarily. Breathing becomes difficult. And this situation does not end well for that person. People living in Mexico and Arizona know this very well. When you wake up in the morning, you first pick up your shoe and shake it. Because this scorpion might have been sleeping there overnight, it could enter through the door crack, slip through a crack in the wall, or even be hiding inside an electrical outlet. If you shine a flashlight on it in the dark, the carapace of the scorpion glows a bright blue-green color. It's as if it's firing a flare gun to signal you to find it. And now scientists have discovered something very different in its venom. Compounds that target brain tumor cells. Nature's oldest weapon may be humanity's newest hope. Number 6, India, Indian cobra. In the early morning hours, a farmer in the red soil fields of India sets to work. He goes to his field. He has responsibilities to his wife and children. While mowing the field, he bends down and buries his hands in the soil. Then suddenly, movement appears next to him. When he raises his head, there it stands before him. The hood is open. The eyes are fixed. The tongue trembles. It is an Indian cobra. This snake holds the title of the animal with the highest number of recorded cases in the world. More than 10,000 cases per year. The vast majority are farmers, people who make a living from the land and go to the fields early in the morning. So do you know what's strange? Indians consider the snake sacred. In Hindu mythology, the cobra is the animal that god Shiva carries on his neck. It represents death and rebirth. In India, killing a cobra is prohibited. It is legally protected because it is considered sacred. In other words, the animal that takes human lives is also honored in temples. When you wander the streets of India, you see Indian snake charmers. These masters play the flute and the cobra dances. But the cobra is actually deaf. It cannot hear the music. It only follows the movement of the flute with its eyes. That dance is not a response to music. It's a response to a threat. Scientists have discovered something surprising in cobra venom. The compound called cobra toxin exhibits pain-killing effects 20 times stronger than morphine. The poison that killed millions of people also relieves the pain of millions of others. Isn't that strange, don't you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 5, Colombia, golden poison frog. In one of the wettest corners of the world, under 13,000 millimeters of annual rainfall, there's a small figure shining on the leaves. Golden yellow, tiny and motionless. But don't even think about touching it. It's a Colombian golden poison frog. This frog, which is only 2 centimeters tall, carries enough batrachotoxin in its body to end the lives of 10 adult humans. And there is no antidote against this poison. Centuries ago, the Chaco tribe discovered this secret. They applied the dart tips to the frog's back, and they managed to bring down their prey with a single touch of the spear. That's why they called it the dart frog. Do you know what's surprising? This frog doesn't produce its own poison. It gets it from the insects and ants it eats. For example, gold poison dart frogs raised in cages become completely non-toxic over time. In other words, the poison is extracted from nature itself. Without the forest, there will be no poison. And now, in laboratories, life-saving things are being developed from this poison. Painkillers, heart medications. ABT 594, a compound showing promise in the treatment of chronic pain, was inspired by this frog's body. Number 4, Brazil, Fer-de-Lance snake. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, motionless on the leaf litter, lies a form. It has neither sound nor smell. Its color, shape, texture, everything makes it part of the forest. But be careful, it's not a leaf. It's a Fer-de-Lance, the most dangerous snake in Latin America. In Brazil, more than 30,000 people are bitten by this snake each year. Throughout Latin America, more than half of all snake bite cases are caused by this species. Because the Fer-de-Lance does not flee when it senses a threat, it prefers to attack. You don't even realize what's happening. But this snake has another strange feature. Young Fer-de-Lancers imitate worms by wiggling their tail tips. Curious little animals approach, and the trap closes. This is an untaught strategy, instinctive intelligence. And now scientists have discovered something life-saving in its venom. Captopril, one of the world's most widely used blood pressure medications, was derived from the venom of this snake, and now it's saving millions of lives. Number 3, Japan, Fugu fish. In Japan's luxury restaurants, white-coated chefs work for hours. Their hands do not tremble, their breathing is steady, because the wrong cut of the fish in front of them could ruin everyone at the table. The poison of the Fugu fish, tetrodotoxin, is 1,200 times stronger than cyanide, and there is no antidote against this poison. If a particle accidentally enters your mouth, your muscles will paralyze, you'll be unable to breathe, but your consciousness will remain clear. You will feel everything, but you will be unable to move. In 1975, Japan's most famous theater actor, Bando Mitsugoro, defiantly ordered 4 portions of fugu liver at a restaurant. "I am immune to this poison," he said. He passed away a few hours later. So, why do people still eat it? Because the Japanese call it dancing with death. Sitting down to eat, knowing the danger, makes life feel more intense. That slight numbness felt on the lips is a sign that you're standing right on the edge of danger. And for some, this feeling is the most beautiful feeling in the world. Putting death on the plate and lifting the spoon despite it. This is Japan's most dangerous tradition. Don't you think it's very unusual? Let's discuss in the comments. Number 2, Brazil, the wandering spider. It's an ordinary morning in Europe, and a grocery store employee begins arranging bananas on the shelves. At that moment, a living creature jumps out from among the bananas. It is a Brazilian wandering spider. This is not a myth. There are hundreds of cases recorded annually in markets across Europe and North America. Bananas hide inside clusters and travel thousands of kilometers in dark, cool crates, and they emerge when the door opens. It moves rapidly across the forest floor of the Amazon at night. It is an active hunter. Its prey may include insects, frogs, mice, even small snakes. When threatened, it does not hesitate to flee. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, it is the world's most venomous spider. When calculated per kilogram, its venom is 6 times more potent than that of the black widow spider. And this spider does not spin webs. Scientists are trying to use this poison to treat heart attacks. Number 1, Papua New Guinea, Pitohui bird. In 1992, an ornithologist examined a small orange and black feathered bird he had captured. While touching the feathers, he felt a strange sensation in his hands, a mixture of numbness and burning sensation. And at that moment, the scientists discovered the world's first poisonous bird. Its name is Pitohui. It contains batrachotoxin in its feathers and skin. This is the same poison found in the golden poison frog. It blocks sodium channels. It paralyzes nerve and muscle cells. If it comes into contact with the eyes, it can cause temporary blindness. Until that day, no one had ever thought that a bird could be poisonous. This discovery shook the scientific world. A belief that had lasted for centuries, based on a single feather, was shattered